time to watch this video. My name is Brett Klein. I'm a volunteer and board member at TaxAid, here to talk about 2021 tax changes for volunteers. Please note that this is not an exhaustive list of 2021 changes. For more details, please visit irs.gov. A little bit of detail about TaxAid. We're a 501c3 organization founded in 1988, helping Bay Area families who earn less than $58,000 a year of gross annual income by preparing tax returns and providing education about tax credits and benefits. In 2021 alone, we provided 2,200 families with over $1.2 million of refunds. Today, we're going to talk about California updates, 2021 federal updates, and details around education credits, tuition, and scholarships. There were several changes that are fairly significant in 2021, including earned income credit, advanced child tax credit, and economic impact payments. I advise that you review each of the videos around those topics separately, and know that the deadline for tax filing this year is April 18th, 2022. Some legislation expired in 2021, including exemption from income for the first $10,200 of unemployment, coronavirus-related withdrawals from IRAs, and waiver of RMDs from certain defined contribution or other IRA-type plans. Additionally, any employment over $1 is now considered taxable. There are state exclusions, and standard mileage rate is now 56 cents per mile for business, 16 cents a mile for moving, and 14 cents per mile for charity. There are also some additional deductions, including married filing jointly taxpayers who don't itemize, who can now deduct up to $600 of cash contributions. Single individuals not itemizing can still deduct up to $300, and all of this information flows to line 12B on the 1040 form. Additionally, some personal exemptions have changed. All personal and spousal and dependent exemptions remain at zero. Dependents can be claimed for filing status credits, etc. And gross income test for qualifying relatives is now $4,300. Additionally, amounts increased for standard deductions. Married filing jointly and qualifying widow $25,100, head of household $18,800, single or married filing separately $12,550. And then additional details can be found here around amount for 65 or older and or blind taxpayers. These are additional education, tuition, and scholarship changes. These are all, again, around the topic of education and any scholarship or lifetime learning credits. Education and tuition and fee deductions are no longer applicable after the tax year 2020, and certain exclusions now do apply for student loans given certain income brackets. There are certain exclusions also for employers who contribute to their employees' education. There is a benefit up to $5,250 for each taxpayer whose employer contributes to their education expenses. School teacher expenses, the amount of a deduction allowed for expenses paid to teacher that were incurred by an eligible educator is now $250, no change from prior tax years. And there are now new qualified expenses, including PPE, disinfectant, and other supplies used for the prevention of the spread of the coronavirus that are now applicable. In 2021, the renter's credit still does apply, $60 per single tax filer, $120 for married filing jointly. And please note the details about the California healthcare mandates included on this slide. Alimony received must be included as income on a California return, and alimony paid can be deducted on a California return. Income not included by the state would include unemployment compensation, Social Security, state income tax refunds, and interest income from U.S. Treasury bills. Lastly, including California lottery winnings. San Francisco residents might be eligible for a $250 payment under certain conditions, which include residency in San Francisco, eligibility for the Earned Income or California Earned Income Tax Credit, have at least one child, and must complete a paper application. The application link is noted on this slide. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for your service to TaxAid.